Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Here basically we are talking about one matrix, that is the city creation, and in this basically we are talking about the 20 percentage error basically, that is education error, and this basically is 200 people basically error basically. In this basically we are taking about one example basically. Sunil R Nair basically, I am taking just my example only basically. Sunil R Nair basically got rejected by 650 girls basically. That 650 girls basically rejected Sunil R Nair basically. So how basically the matrix is going to generate? Vadodara city, myself, Kannur basically one girl example taken, and then basically the Tardev Road basically, that is Mumbai city basically where the Shadi.com office is there, and here the basically Mumbai where the Shadi.com owner basically is staying basically. So like this basically, is anything going to happen? Assume that basically I am the blood group owner basically. Assume that basically I am the blood group owner. Here basically I want to explain that basically how the earthquake fee is going to work. In really basically earthquake is not going to come basically in Mumbai, in Kannur, in Kerala, in Mumbai, in Vadodara city. Just taking as an example basically. So one of the person told that basically the matrix will be like this basically. Vadodara city basically data came, Kannur data came, Vadodara city basically I sent the data, right, basically. Now basically the Kannur girl basically done the inquiry basically. They basically without they doing the inquiry basically they never rejects. Assume that they basically called Vadodara city, one option basically, Vadodara city. And in Vadodara city, one of his relative or basically friend basically might be there. They told that basically this person is not okay because he is not having the job, and that basically he is having sitting since many time, and basically he is a divorcee also, and lots of things basically has happened in his life basically. So like this basically if you will marry him, then basically you will be also in getting lots of trouble. So she basically, that Vadodara girl basically, or basically Vadodara boy basically, whoever basically, they basically generated this story basically. Assume that basically that family basically is from Gotri or basically Gorua. So that is one land basically. So she basically called here in one of the area, that is Gotri area or Gorua area, that how is that particular person, because she is not God basically. She will call and then basically is going to tell basically. Now basically what happened, this matrix generated. Now basically the another option is Kannur basically, that girl basically done inquiry in the Shadi.com headquarter office basically. This here basically is the office of the headquarter of Shadi.com. They basically given some information basically from basically they got some information from anyone basically, from the group of the Shadi.com group basically. They basically given some information that basically he is not good, he basically is doing the time pass, he is basically not earning the money, he is this that basically, that also information basically given by this Tardev, that is Mumbai road basically. This matrix is generated. Basically I want to explain basically how the earthquake is going to come basically. So this matrix is generated. Now basically here what happened, this matrix generated. This person basically is the owner basically of the Shadi.com basically. He is staying in Mumbai basically. Now anything is going to effect to this person basically, 100% he is going to effect. Why? Because this the person basically who called that particular group, no, basically who are basically giving the information, that is chained by this person only basically, right? So this is one area basically, this is one area, this is one area, and this is one area. Here basically two incidents basically happen, that is story basically. One story is what Sunil Nair sent the data of the Shadi.com Shadi.com response basically. Then basically the another story, she called this particular person or basically girl basically over from in Gorwa and Gotri basically. There basically the story basically was he is not this, he is doing time pass, like this basically each and every story basically they told basically. This story also generated. Just see basically up to what depth level the earthquakes basically are. This is story generated. Now basically what happened, this was one story, this was another story. This person actually what done, he has basically have some certain detective group basically might have hired in 2006 or 5 basically when he started the Shaadi.com basically. Now basically we will see when Shaadi.com started also. That also we will see. Shaadi.com established date. So Shaadi.com basically started in 1996. So since 1996 basically he have the set of detective group basically who do the inquiry, who basically have the each and every information of the particular group. That type of detective agency basically he hired for the Shaadi.com inquiry. If any this girl basically or this girl basically called this Shaadi.com group basically, and this group basically given the information according to this person's who basically, this person basically, that is the owner who basically hired the detective agency. So here basically the detective agency also came. Assume that basically that detective agency is from USA. USA also, that also New York. This World Trade Center you can see, that city basically. So here basically this is the city basically where the agencies are basically doing the each and every people inquiry basically. If you want any information from, for example, he want any of the information basically, he means his team basically, he wants any of the information, they calls this team and they basically have the entire kundali basically, that is called horoscope of that particular person, that how many money he is earning, how many basically girlfriend he have, each and everything information this group basically have. So they basically say that basically what, how many money expense basically, where basically he is going, what is the hospital basically, where basically he do the treatment, what basically disease he have, how many time basically he is not having the job, this, that, each and everything basically, right? This is one thing basically, this is one matrix basically. So this group basically calling the this group, and these groups are basically giving the information of site. So here basically the time calculation is started. Time calculation means these groups are basically collecting information since when basically, assume that basically they are collecting information since 1981. We will take the example of 1981 when I was basically in Vidyagon school basically. Assume basically, just taking as an example, they basically takes the information from the satellite group basically. So they basically told that basically he is basically not person, he is doing time pass, and basically he basically has lots of problems in his life basically. If you will enter into his life basically, then basically your also life is going to be spoiled basically. So this type of information basically they have given basically by the New York group basically. And here the time connected basically 1981. This is one matrix basically. This time basically 1996 he started, and he basically done connection with New York City at 1996. Then basically this Mumbai basically where he is staying that time. Then basically the Tardeo Road basically, from where they called to this particular person. This is all our story basis. She basically called to, first of all she basically called to Vadodara city, then basically she called to this also. Assume that basically two places basically she called. This story also basically generated. Now basically the another story basically. That another story basically we are going to see in next part basically. This is the basically one matrix basically which is generated, and how basically it's going to convert to the earthquake, that also we are going to see. Before this basically we are going to see one more story basically in next video basically.